Hello my dear students, welcome again to a new video. Mr. Muhammad Ahmed is with you today in the third part of our revision 3, Unit 12, if you go to the desert. So, by the end of our session today, you will be able to revise some items which we have taken before in Unit 12. Question number 1. Supply the missing letters. In Unit 12, we have taken some words such as desert, camel, water bottle, sand dune, oil field. So, I hope from every student to revise the words well, to be able after that to answer and complete the missing parts. So, the answer is okay. Next. Question number 2. Choose the correct answer. Now, I will read the sentence and I need from every student to check his answer with me. A space is a small mountain in the desert. Camel, sand dune, oil field, oasis. Is a small mountain in the desert. Yes, a sand dune. Number 2. A space is an animal which lives in the desert. What is the animal which lives in the desert? Yes, is a camel. Number 3. If you have a space in the desert, you will have water. You will have water if you have a water bottle. Number 4. If you bring a space, you won't get too hot. If you bring a hat. Number 5. You can see an space in the desert. You can see an oil field. Next, if he travels in a desert, he will take a tiger, lion, camel, and the car. Yes, he will take a camel if he travels in a desert, because the camel is an animal which lives in the desert and can stay a long time without water or food. Number 7. A camel is an animal which lives in the desert. The last one, an space is an area in the desert which you can find water. An space is an area in the desert which you can find water. Yes, an oasis. Next question about the grammar rule of Unit 12. The grammar rule of Unit 12, the first condition of if, consists of if. After if, you will write I, or we, or they, or you, or he, or she. But after I, or we, or they, or you put verb 0 without any additions. But after he or she, you add to the verb s or es. Next sentence, you put will, or in the negative form, you will put want. Okay. Now, I will read the sentence and I will answer, and I need from everyone to pay attention with me. Okay. Number 1. You will have water if you have, if you goes, if you has, if you gets a water bottle. I said you, or after you put verb there without any conditions. You will have water if you have a water bottle. Number 2. If you travel in a desert, you will, or you would, or you could see a sandy dune. If you travel in a desert, yes, you will. Number 3. He will see the pyramids if he goes, if he have to Cairo. He will see the pyramids if he goes, because after he you put verb end with s or es. Number 4. If she brings a hat, she will, she can, she won't be hot. If she brings a hat, she won't be hot. Number 5. If Ali travels in a desert, he will take a camel. Ali is a boy or a man. Pronoun he, take verb end with s after it. If Ali travels in a desert, he will take a camel. Next, we won't, we can't, we will see the Eiffel Tower if we travel to France. We. And second sentence, take will. If Sarah gets getting up early, she will go to school on time. If Sarah is a girl, is a woman, take pronoun she. And after he or she, you put verb end with s. Yes, if Sarah gets. Number 8. If Ahmad travels in a desert, he won't, he will, he can see the tower. If Ahmad travels in a desert, he won't see the tower. Number 9. If I goes to London, I will see Big Ben. I take verb 0 without any additions. If I go. Number 10. If Sally studies her lessons, she could pass her exams. Yes, if Sally studies her lesson, you put will. Yes, will pass her exams. The last question. Look and write the words below each picture. I have some pictures and I have sentence below each one, and I need from everyone to read the sentence well and complete the missing part. Number 1. A space lives in the desert. Number 2. If you have a space, you will have water. Number 3. Any space is an area in the desert you can find water. Number 4. A space is a small mountain in the desert. Okay, number 1. A space lives in the desert. Okay, what is that animal? Yes, excellent. A camel lives in the desert. Number 2. If you have a space, you will have water. If you have a water bottle, you will have water. Number 3. Any space is an area in the desert you can find water. Yes, and oasis. And the last one. A space is a small mountain in the desert. A sand dune is a small mountain in the desert. Now we have come to the end. Mr. Muhammad Ahmed was with you today. See you soon.